Nathaniel! Shots fired! Shots fired!
On August 11th, 2025, Moorhead police responded to a domestic call that ended in a fatal officer-involved shooting. 2 brothers killed, 2 children rescued unharmed. Force later ruled justified.
Is Nathan in the apartment right now?
Is anybody answering?
No. Are you able to let us in the apartment?
I don't think so. I mean, is it unlocked?
We haven't checked. We've been knocking.
Who's? Sorry.
Was he in your apartment?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what?
Moorhead Police Department, come to the door.
I don't have a key. I wasn't able to get it. I'm sorry. I just left it. Hi.
Do you know if he's still in there? Is there anybody else in there?
I mean, if they are still in there because I don't have a key to lock it. His brother and himself.
Nathaniel's Moorhead Police Department, come to the door.
Okay. Go hang out on the stairs for us.
We know you're in there, Nathaniel. We're not just gonna go away, Nathaniel.
It's not Nathaniel. It's Nathan.
Or Nathan.
You gotta bring your dog back to the
Gooder. Over here.
You can go ahead and just stay in the stairwell for us for now. We'll come talk with you.
Embarrassing.
Nathan, we're not just gonna go away. Come to the door, man. Nathan, I know you're in there. I heard you talking earlier. Come to the door. Nathan, it's Moorhead Police Department. You need to come to the door so we can talk to you. You wanna hang out here for a second?
Are you trying to make contact?
Okay, so...
my daughter is disabled in there and she's asleep right now.
Okay.
So,
It was Nathan and his brother Mason.
Nathan and
Okay. Have you heard anybody exit the door?
I don't know because I was down here. I took my dog out and yeah, I don't know if they left.
Okay, how long has he been over here for?
They've been over here for about an hour.
And what happened between you guys that made you want to call in?
Well, one of them, he choked me. My boyfriend did. He choked me. And
Nathan?
Yes.
Okay, how did he do that?
He grabbed me by my neck and said, "Why are you calling the cops?" And I called the cops.
Okay, can you look at me so I can see if there's any marks on your neck? I don't see any. Did he hit you at all?
No, he never hit
It
me.
was just him putting his hand on your neck?
Yeah, he
Okay.
just showed me.
When he did that, could you breathe still?
Yeah.
It didn't affect your breathing at all? You can still speak or... Okay. Did it
I
hurt?
mean, obviously I had to call you guys.
Did it hurt when he did that?
No, I just decided to call the cops because one, I know he wanted to see his kids, fine. I let him see his kids and then all of a sudden, that's what happened.
Okay, well you know that you have
How it
that
came.
order of protection. You shouldn't be letting them around you, right? Because, I mean, it's in place for a reason. Is there any weapons inside of the apartment?
No weapons.
Other than, like, kitchen knives?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Mom, they're not gonna bust the door down, I don't think. Are you guys gonna?
Well,
See, here, hold on, Mom. Can you talk to my mom, please?
you can just put her on speaker.
Mom, here, hold on.
Here's the deal. If we know he's in there, I heard a male talking inside, right? We could get a search warrant. And if we don't have keys, then we could enter in the apartment, so we could break the door down, yes. Why don't you see if you can get quote to your landlord and see if they can get keys over here? Can you do that for me?
Alright.
Try to call your landlord and see if they can get keys. We'll have to get a search warrant to go in there. I heard a male talking in there.
Okay. I didn't. I just heard her.
So, unless you jumped out the balcony.
If you have enough for a search warrant, I mean, run it by bolts and...
Yeah. And she said that he put her hands on her head. Didn't obstruct her breathing or anything like that, but still enough for a domestic, so.
Last time we were here, it took 5+ minutes for him to come to the door last time, too.
Nathaniel, come to the door. It's Moorhead Police Department. We are not going anywhere. We need to speak to you.
Nathan, come to the door. We know you just wanted to see your child. We can understand that. The only other way this ends is with us busting the door down. Do you want that to happen with your kid inside? I think you're a better parent than that, man. This doesn't need to escalate to the point of us busting down the door. Nathan, come have a conversation with us. We don't need to escalate this and scare your kid.
Nathan, just being honest with you, man, being silent now isn't helping you out. I already heard you talking in there before you knew we were here. We know you're in there. You need to come to the door so we can have a conversation with you.
I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt, man. You trying to be a good parent and be there for your kid, but this isn't something we just walk away from, so I'm just asking that you be a good parent, open the door and have a conversation with us so we don't have to scare your kids by knocking down the door. Nathan, it's going to be another minute or two. We're not waiting all day. If we need to go do a search warrant and knock the door in, we will.
Nathan, here's the deal, man. There's about 3 options. You either open the door and speak to us, okay, or we get a search warrant, we bust down the door, or if there's a key holder that comes here, we're going to open the door and come in.
Landlord's coming.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, he doesn't live here, so if the landlord comes with a key, we don't need a search warrant.
Yeah, as long as she gives.
She gave us permission, so.
No, we won't need to go to the search warrant.
Well, it looks like we don't need a search warrant, Nathan, but we're going to get a key, and if you don't come out before we get that key, then we're coming in.
Where are you trying to go, man?
Still nothing.
DoorDash? What's the name on the DoorDash? MacGyver. Well, I mean, he's not going to be taking it, so. He's not going to be taking it, so.
No one's answered the door for us.
Okay, so let me cancel it.
Yep, you can cancel it.
Thank you.
Need a key? Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go double make sure and ask her we have permission to use the key to get in.
Yeah, double check and then we'll.
I'm just doing it for our sake and yours. We have permission to use that key to go into your apartment,
Yeah.
and we can look through your entire apartment.
Yes, I don't have nothing to hide.
So we have full permission to go through your apartment and use that key to go into your apartment.
You got it.
Perfect. Who else is supposed to be in the home? It's supposed to be him and his brother?
And
Okay. And then your kid?
my kid.
Go for it. We're going to be keying into the apartment. She gave us permission.
I appreciate you reaching for the key. You go for it. Yeah. Should be one of these two.
Nathaniel, open the door. You can go.
Yeah, if it's down there.
Nathaniel, open the door, man.
Smaller one there.
Nathaniel, you need to come to the door and open it. I can tell you right now, if we have to key into this door, I do not know what you are doing behind that door and in that apartment. You will have a gun pointed at you if we have to key into the apartment.
The legal framework of this encounter rests on 3 pillars. The first is the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The second is the doctrine of objectively reasonable force, developed in Graham versus Garner. The third is Minnesota's statutory authorization for deadly force. Each pillar carries distinct requirements, and each was engaged at a different moment. On the question of home entry, the Supreme Court's ruling in Payton versus New York established a strong presumption against warrantless entry into a private residence. 3 recognized exceptions applied here simultaneously. Under the apparent authority doctrine of Illinois versus Rodriguez, the leaseholder granted explicit, audio-recorded consent. Under the emergency aid exception of Brigham City versus Stewart, officers may enter without a warrant to protect occupants from imminent harm. And 2 small children trapped with armed, barricaded felons is the paradigmatic case. And under Kentucky versus King, officers may rely on an exigency they did not themselves unlawfully create.
Let's try that. Which key is it?
It's one of the house lighting keys. Sorry, just trying to get them out of my hand.
Nathaniel, open the door!
That's most of its turn. Yeah, I've never turned that far the first time.
Did it at least go over there?
Open the door now! It's the police department! Nathaniel's brother, if you're inside, this is your chance.
I believe your name is Mason. This is your chance to not be involved in this. You need to open the door. Nathaniel, open the door.
Let's get one more.
Move out of the way of the door, Nathaniel.
I think he's like directly behind. Or something is.
Yeah, I got him right here.
Hey, open the door!
Hands!
Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Hands!
Three was essentially still refusing to move out of the way of the door. He's blocking it in the corner right now. We can see him, but he's not opening or moving the door.
Okay, ready? We're gonna push in. I'm gonna clear far. You guys turn corner and get him. Ready? Does that work?
Yeah. Show us your hands, Nathaniel! Shots fired! Shots fired! Anybody hit?
I'm good. I'm good. Shots fired. Male suspect. Blue shorts. White Viking jersey.
Keep eyes on the outside of the apartment.
Male suspect inside behind the door. Viking shirt. Shorts.
I'm gonna come around to you guys.
Get around.
Get outside. Now. Outside. Outside.
Why did I shoot somebody?
We did not shoot. Outside now.
Who shot somebody?
We need to go.
Mama! Where's my kid?
They're inside.
You can note in the comments some sort of black handgun. One round fired. Straight at me.
You good? You sure you're not hit? Double check.
Here, back up. I'm good. Really checking it out. Go for it. Please back up to.
Okay. I don't see anything. You turn around. I don't see any holes in your vest. I think you're good.
Okay. I just. Okay.
It's at 2414 3rd Avenue North.
On deadly force, the controlling precedent is Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Graham requires that force be judged by the objective reasonableness standard, from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, without the clarity of hindsight. Tennessee versus Garner, from 1985, further limits deadly force to subjects posing a significant threat of death or serious physical injury. These standards were not merely satisfied. They were substantially exceeded. A round had already been discharged at officers. Armed felons had refused repeated lawful commands for an hour and a half, and 2 small children remained in the line of fire.
We're at apartment 16. Male barricaded inside with a firearm. 1 shot fired at officers.
Occupants of apartment 16, exit with your hands up!
Come here. Come on. You're safe, Rubino. You're safe. Come on. Hold on. That's good. Is there anybody else in the apartment? Anyone downstairs?
Daniel? Nathan.
Possible Mason.
Nathan. This is photo of suspect. Photo of suspect.
Got it.
Slanging. Photo of suspect. This is Nathan.
Okay, yeah, I know.
You got that? Okay.
Lucas, Nathan, we know you're inside. You need to come out now with your hands up. This is the sheriff's office. We're not going to go away. Come out with your hands up. We know you're in apartment number 16.
Occupants of apartment 16, exit with your hands up! Nathan, Lucas, exit the apartment with your hands up!
This is all hot.
Yeah. This is the kitchen. Yeah.
The old spec downstairs. Back downstairs.
That's it. Rescue.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! We got kids in there, we gotta go.
Go.
Show me your hand! Give it to him, Tommy. Show me your hand! Push through it! Go!
Push through it! Watch your muscles! Push through it! Sneak up and push through! Push through! Pardon the kid! I got this guy right here. I got a guy right here, bud. Two bingos! Punch them and he's upstairs.
Where are the bingos?
Let's get him out, let's get him out. Back up, back up.
Pick him up.
Yep. Here, hand him off. Hand him off. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. I got you. I got you. Yep. Don't look, buddy. Don't look, buddy. Are you hurt? Are you scared? Okay. We got you, man. We're gonna get you out. We'll have somebody double check you, okay? Not injured. Get in here, buddy. You said you're not hurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay?
I'm gonna double check you, okay?
I just have a disease.
You just have a disease? What kind of
Yeah.
disease you got, bud?
I got pimples on me.
You got pimples on you?
Yeah.
Okay. For right now, you're doing okay?
Mhm.
Do you need anything?
No.
No? Okay. You mind hanging with him?
Where's she at?
They were staged at Sunset. Coming up. You guys need anything?
Is the obvious? 5 months ahead.
Two bingos out.
Are they code 4?
Yes.
Watch me.
At least mine is 100% code 4. The other one's getting ran to the ambulance right now. I was gonna say, you want to keep him in?
Drag him out. Okay, hold on. I'm going to drag him back and then open the door.
Yep, I got you. He's got brain matter everywhere.
Yeah, I know, but we still need to do life-saving measures.
Making sure we're tracking.
Minnesota's deadly force statute, codified at section 609.066, authorizes lethal force to protect peace officers or others from death or great bodily harm. Separately, Minnesota's felon in possession law prohibited both subjects from possessing any firearm, a completed felony that predated the first trigger pull. Accordingly, the Moorhead Police Department receives a grade of A- for its measured negotiation and rigorous Fourth Amendment compliance. The Red River Valley SWAT team receives a grade of A for a lawful, effective resolution conducted without officer injury and with both children recovered unharmed. Both Heiberg brothers receive a grade of F for felony possession, for armed resistance, and for endangering their own children. The reporting party receives a grade of B+ for her cooperation and for the decisions that ultimately preserved her children's lives. Several broader lessons emerge. Officers who articulate their legal authority on the record, as Moorhead officers did with textbook clarity, build an evidentiary foundation that survives constitutional scrutiny. Orders of protection have limited practical force without consistent enforcement and victim support. And de-escalation remains a choice the subject must also make. No tactic, however skilled, can compel surrender from a person committed to armed resistance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.